Hello, 6th grade. We are looking at our writings, equations, vocabulary. The words are equation and expression. Now, an equation is a math sentence that states two things are equal to each other or are balanced. We're going to talk about how an equation or an equal sign, it does not mean spit out the answer. It means that there is a balance on either side. So for example, we have A plus B and C. If I'm talking about an equation, I'm saying this is equal to that. Whatever A and B together are, it will be the same value as C. Like if it were on a scale, it would be balanced with each other. Another example would be like 7 plus 2 equals 10 minus 1. 7 plus 2 is 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. This is true, or a solution, because this is equal to each other and it is balanced. A non-example of an equation would be like an expression, like 3x minus 2y plus 4. There's no equal sign, so this is not an example of an equation. And an expression, this is what we've been working on up until this point, is a number sentence made up of numbers and operations and sometimes variables. So remember, if it has variables, it means it's algebraic, and if it doesn't, if it just has numbers and operations, it means it's numerical. An expression, there could be so many different types. So I'm going to give you one example from each operation. We could have A plus B, C minus D, E divided by F, oh, my pen's running out, or G times H. Any of those options would totally work. Another example would be like 2 plus 3, or 3 minus x divided by 2. Because this has just numbers and operations, this is numerical. Because this has a variable, this is algebraic. A non-example, you're just going to draw nice and big. I'm going to make it extra big. Is if there is an equal sign, it is not an expression, like A plus B equals C. Whenever there's an expression, you will not see an equal sign. Whereas on the equation, once you see an equal sign, ta-da! This means, oh, ding, 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 we have an equation. So if you need to pause or review any of the boxes on our vocabulary, feel free to do so.